How to check for updates on Samsung device. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, we're going to see how to easily check for updates on your Samsung device. But before we begin, head down below to hit the like button on the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new uploads. On that note, let's get started. Step 1, you will have to open your phone settings. So just tap on your settings icon to open your phone settings. Now, you just have to scroll down until you see your uh, option that says software update or install. Or if you are using an older version of Android, it might be inside your about phone option. So make sure to find it, or you can just search it on the search bar for software update, and your result will be shown right here after you search for it. So just tap on your software update, and the first option is download and install. So you just tap on it to check for updates, and if there are any available updates, the device will show you, or if there is not, then it will show you like this: your software is up to date, so there are no current update available. But once there is something available, the phone will notify you and then you can update from there. I hope you found the video helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.